Today I'll show you a morning walk. This is in Antipolo City, Rizal, about 17 kilometers east of Manila. About 8 o'clock on a Tuesday morning. Traffic's heavy right now. Today's walk's going to be 4.5 miles, a little over 7 kilometers. Pretty much all on city streets. Show you the surroundings. Been walking for 4 months now. I've lost 13 kilo, about 35 pounds, pushing for 40, but right now I'm at 35 pounds down, getting ready to go into maintenance mode. Antipolo is a very hilly area. As you can see behind me, cresting a hill here. The whole area just rolls like this. Morning. Then we cross over here. Wilcon is one of 2 or 3 large hardware stores. Really good store to shop at if you're looking for something you need. We're about 20 minutes in of a 90-minute walk. This is about a mile mark out. It's a really nice setup here. If you're looking for a bakery, a lot of times you don't even have to go out. They'll come to you. This is a mobile rolling store. Good morning. Good, good. You can see he's got Pandasol. Yeah. I wish you could smell the aroma, but it's very, very nice smelling. Got his propane tanks there. Hard-working man, eating on the job. You see he's got his little oven, got his racks. But if you ever see one of these, stop and try their bread. It's very, very good. Salamat. Good day. One of the many streams that run through town here during heavy typhoons, and we're in typhoon season. This river will come up about 1 meter or more. Just go into a raging mode. Coming up on our 2-mile mark, 40 minutes. All this traffic is hooking a left. Most of it traffic is hooking a left, going toward Tai Tai. We're gonna go straight. This is a nice little 1 kilometer break off the main road. It's almost like a park setting. It's very nice. As you walk along this road, you always hear water. A waterfall or a river. I didn't know it until a week or 2 ago. There's a park over here. It's almost like an amusement park. You can see the big spider web in there. These people are doing confidence building. Down below you can see the waterfalls. Good morning. I had a typhoon come through about 2 weeks ago. Took a lot of tree damage in the area here. Some of the nice bamboo trees, some of the branches came down, still there. I don't know if they're going to clean it up or not, but a little under halfway around this loop. I'm going to start taking this incline. It's about 2 minutes to the top. Get it outside. Look back, give me an opportunity to see the middle area. Top of the hill here. In mornings they'll set out coffee, drinks, place for the cyclists to relax, chat, catch up with their buddies. A lot of cyclists in Antipolo City. Thing you have to be careful of if you're riding a motorcycle, these wire bundles, they have these linemen come out and they'll string wire, but they don't string it and they let it hang. I've read stories, guys getting tangled up, pulled off their bikes. Just really got to be careful here. This is a bad one. Hopefully these guys are coming back soon. Yeah, that's right in the middle of the lane. Somebody's gonna get hung up on that. One of the main schools here in Antipolo City. A lot of students here. The saying, "Tayo na," means let's go. Tayo na, let's go. De La Paz National High School. Don't know if you know it or not, they do shifting here in the Philippines as there's a lack of facilities. So the students are put on shifts, 6 till 11. Second shift or afternoon shift is 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock till 5 or 6. You want to say hi? One of the clinics here in Antipolo City, Clinica Antipolo. Multifaceted clinic, emergency, and then all your other services, dental, optometry, EENT, labor, delivery. Recently had some dental work here and the dentist is just phenomenal. Did not expect or want more. Great, great professional. Clinica Antipolo Hospital. We're 1 hour in on the walk now. It's about the 3-mile marker here. We're gonna go up, hook a left. This is gonna take us straight down into Antipolo City and right to the front doorstep of the Antipolo Cathedral. Good morning, how are you?
Fine, where are you from?
Say hi.
Where are you from?
America.
America.
Yeah.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
This is my co-worker.
Co-worker?
Traffic enforcer.
Buddy, buddy.
Yeah, buddy.
Take care of each other's back.
You're a blogger?
Huh?
Blogger?
Yes. Yeah.
What is your account? I follow you.
ATP,
ATP.
All Things Philippines.
Copy.
YouTube.
Thank you, sir.
Good to see you. Stay safe today.
Thank you.
We're about 3.5 miles in, 1 hour down, hour and 10 down. We got 20 minutes to go. Gonna go straight out of town, walk east, and finish this walk up. This area down the street is. See a lot of people that are having a tough time in life here, sleeping in tents and canvas overhangs, and just really having a rough go of it and making the best of it they can. Good morning. How are you?
Good, brother.
Yeah. Good morning.
Hey, my
Huh?
mother is brother.
Your mother?
Si Mata dito.
Your mother?
Hey, mother.
Salamat. Kinigagalakon, makilala ka.
Hey, have a good day.
Good morning. Salamat. Children playing in the streets. Very, very spirited people. Caring, loving, warm-hearted. One thing I like about the Philippine people. Gonna take this crosswalk. Really gotta be careful on these things. You're supposed to have right of way. A lot of people almost get run over in these things. Yeah, that's a morning walk here in the Philippines, Antipolo City. Thanks for joining me, and if you can, continue to keep working out, and if you can't, best health to you. Stay safe, take care.